Bilang mamamayang Pilipino, hindi ako sang-ayon at hindi rin ako pumapayag sa political dynasty. Kung ang isang kandidato ay karapat-dapat sa posisyon niya, kahit na sila ay magkakamag-anak, katanggap-tanggap ito kung alam niya sa sarili niya na kaya niya at siya ay nararapat at hindi lang siya naandun dahil sa apelido o dahil sa kanyang ninuno.
Actually, wala akong masyadong care sa political dynasties eh. I mean, since the beginning of our civilization naman, meron tayong mga hari na yung kanilang mga anak naging hari and blah blah blah. So, as long as they do their job, it's fine. Okay? Pero the law says that it's yung constitution natin is against political dynasties. So, we should review that law. Okay? As I said earlier, kung gusto natin patuloy yung ating mga political dynasties, basta let them do their jobs. Okay, good. Pero kung hindi, kung research says that yung ating mga dynasties are not effective to our working government, then I should say we should abolish it.